Introduction to Higher Self and Self-Realization. Welcome to our transformative journey towards self-realization and connection with the higher self. In this video, we explore the profound essence of aligning with our true nature, embracing wisdom, and embodying the divine within. Join us as we delve into the depths of self-discovery and spiritual evolution, guiding you towards a path of enlightenment and empowerment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay connected with our transformative content. Embarking on the journey of self-discovery and spiritual growth often leads individuals to explore the profound concepts of the higher self and self-realization. The higher self is a transcendent aspect of our being that embodies our true essence, free from the constraints of ego and earthly attachments. It is the part of us that resonates with universal consciousness, wisdom, and unconditional love. Connecting with the higher self involves peeling away the layers of conditioned beliefs, fears, and insecurities to uncover the pure, authentic core of our being. Self-realization, on the other hand, is the process of awakening to our true nature and purpose in this existence. It is a journey of self-discovery, inner transformation, and alignment with our highest potential. Self-realization entails recognizing the illusions of the ego, transcending limiting beliefs, and embracing the eternal truth of our interconnectedness with all of creation. It is a profound realization that we are not separate from the universe, but are integral parts of the cosmic tapestry, each with a unique role to play in the grand symphony of existence. By delving into the depths of our consciousness and connecting with our higher self, we open ourselves to a realm of infinite possibilities, wisdom, and guidance. The journey of self-realization is a path of self-discovery, growth, and evolution that leads us to a deeper understanding of ourselves, our purpose, and our interconnectedness with all beings. It is a journey of awakening to the divine spark within us and aligning with our true essence to live authentically, consciously, and compassionately. As we explore the realms of the higher self and self-realization, we uncover the hidden truths of our existence, transcend the limitations of the ego, and embrace the power of love, compassion, and inner wisdom. This journey is not just a quest for personal growth, but a sacred pilgrimage towards wholeness, unity, and oneness with the cosmos. It is a journey that invites us to remember our divine nature, reclaim our spiritual sovereignty, and embody the highest expression of our being. Understanding the higher self. The concept of the higher self is deeply rooted in spiritual traditions and philosophies across cultures, representing the transcendent aspect of our consciousness that exists beyond the limitations of the physical body and ego. The higher self is often described as the pure, divine essence of an individual, untouched by worldly desires, fears, or attachments. It is the reservoir of wisdom, love, and guidance that resides within each of us, waiting to be discovered and embraced. Connecting with the higher self involves a journey of self-exploration, inner reflection, and spiritual awakening. It requires transcending the noise of the mind, the distractions of the external world, and the illusions of the ego to access the profound wisdom and clarity that emanate from this sacred source within. By quieting the mental chatter, cultivating mindfulness, and opening our hearts to the whispers of the soul, we can establish a deep and meaningful connection with our higher self. The higher self serves as a guiding light on our path of self-discovery and personal growth, offering insights intuitive nudges, and gentle nudges in the direction of our highest good. It communicates with us through intuition, synchronicities, dreams, and moments of profound inspiration, guiding us towards alignment with our true purpose and potential. By aligning with our higher self, we tap into a wellspring of creativity, joy, and inner peace that transcends the transient fluctuations of external circumstances. One of the key aspects of understanding the higher self is recognizing that it operates beyond the constraints of time and space, existing in a realm of pure consciousness and infinite possibilities. It is the part of us that is eternally connected to the universal source of all creation, embodying the qualities of unity, love, and oneness. By aligning with our higher self, we align with the universal flow of life, allowing synchronicities to unfold, miracles to manifest, and blessings to abound in our journey of self-realization. In essence, understanding the higher self is about recognizing the divine essence that resides within us, honoring the sacred connection we share with all beings, and embodying the qualities of compassion, wisdom, and love that define our true nature. It is a journey of self-discovery, inner transformation, and spiritual evolution that leads us to the realization of our interconnectedness with the cosmos and the eternal truths that govern the universe. Practices for connecting with your higher self. Engaging in practices that facilitate the connection with your higher self is vital for nurturing a deep and meaningful relationship with this sacred aspect of your being. These practices serve as gateways to inner wisdom, spiritual insight, and profound transformation, guiding you on the path towards self-realization and alignment with your true essence. By incorporating these practices into your daily routine, you create a sacred space within yourself to commune with your higher self and receive guidance on your journey of self-discovery. Meditation stands out as one of the most powerful and transformative practices for connecting with your higher self. Through meditation, you cultivate a state of inner stillness, presence, and awareness that allows you to quiet the mind, open the heart, and attune to the subtle whispers of your soul. By dedicating time each day to sit in silence, focus on your breath, and turn inward, you create a gateway to the realm of higher consciousness where your higher self resides. In this space of inner peace and tranquility, you can receive intuitive guidance, clarity, and inspiration that emanate from the depths of your being. Journaling is another valuable practice that can deepen your connection with your higher self. By putting pen to paper and allowing your thoughts, feelings, and insights to flow freely, you create a channel for self-expression, reflection, and self-discovery. Journaling can help you unravel the layers of conditioning, fears, and limiting beliefs that obscure your inner truth, allowing you to gain clarity, perspective, and understanding of your true essence. Through the act of journaling, you can explore your inner landscape, process your emotions, and receive guidance from your higher self in a tangible and transformative way. Visualization and creative expression are also powerful tools for connecting with your higher self. By engaging in visualization practices, you can create mental images, symbols, and scenarios that reflect your deepest desires, aspirations, and intentions. Visualization allows you to tap into the power of your imagination, harness the energy of your emotions, and align with the vibrational frequency of your higher self. Through creative expression, such as art, music, dance, or writing, you can channel the wisdom, inspiration, and creativity of your higher self into tangible forms that resonate with your soul and uplift your spirit. Mindfulness practices, such as conscious breathing, mindful movement, and present moment awareness, can also support your connection with your higher self. By cultivating mindfulness in your daily activities, you bring a sense of presence, attentiveness, and intentionality to each moment, allowing you to align with the flow of life and the guidance of your higher self. Mindfulness practices help you stay grounded, centered, and attuned to the subtle messages and signs that your higher self communicates to you through the language of intuition, synchronicity, and inner knowing. Incorporating these practices into your daily routine can deepen your connection with your higher self, expand your awareness, and elevate your consciousness to new levels of spiritual growth and self-realization. By committing to these practices with dedication, intention, and openness, you create a sacred container for the divine essence of your higher self to shine through, guiding you on the path of personal transformation, inner peace, and spiritual awakening. Signs of alignment with your higher self. When you are aligned with your higher self, you experience a profound sense of harmony, clarity, and purpose that emanates from the depths of your being. This alignment manifests in various signs and signals that indicate you are in resonance with the wisdom, love, and guidance of your higher self. Recognizing these signs can help you navigate your spiritual journey, deepen your connection with your true essence, and stay attuned to the divine flow of life unfolding through you. One of the primary signs of alignment with your higher self is a deep sense of inner peace and contentment that transcends external circumstances. When you are in alignment, you feel a profound sense of serenity, tranquility, and acceptance that arises from a place of deep knowing and trust in the universe. This inner peace allows you to navigate life's challenges with grace, resilience, and equanimity, knowing that you are supported and guided by the wisdom of your higher self. Another sign of alignment with your higher self is a heightened sense of intuition and inner guidance that leads you towards paths of growth, healing, and transformation. When you are aligned, you experience a strong connection to your inner compass, intuitive nudges, and synchronicities that point you in the direction of your highest good. You trust the wisdom of your inner voice, the whispers of your soul, and the signs and symbols that manifest in your life as messages from your higher self guiding you towards alignment with your true purpose. Alignment with your higher self also brings a sense of clarity, vision, and purpose that illuminates your path and directs your actions towards fulfilling your soul's mission. When you are aligned, you have a clear understanding of your values, passions, and aspirations, and you are guided by a sense of purpose that transcends egoic desires and external validation. You make decisions from a place of inner knowing, authenticity, and alignment with your true essence, knowing that each choice you make is in service to your highest good and the greater good of all. A deep sense of gratitude, joy, and love is another sign of alignment with your higher self. When you are aligned, you experience an outpouring of love, compassion, and appreciation for yourself, others, and the world around you. You radiate a sense of joy, lightness, and positivity that uplifts and inspires those around you, reflecting the unconditional love and compassion that flow from your higher self through your heart center. This love is a powerful force that heals, transforms, and unites all beings in the universal embrace of oneness and unity. In essence, signs of alignment with your higher self are reflected in the qualities of peace, intuition, clarity, purpose, gratitude, joy, and love that emanate from your being when you are in resonance with the divine essence within you. By recognizing and honoring these signs, you can deepen your connection with your higher self, align with your true purpose, and embody the highest expression of your soul in this earthly existence. Embracing self-realization through connection with your higher self. Self-realization is the ultimate goal of the spiritual journey, encompassing the process of awakening to your true nature, transcending the limitations of the ego, and embodying the divine essence that resides within you. Through deepening your connection with your higher self, you embark on a path of self-discovery, inner transformation, and spiritual evolution that leads you towards the realization of your highest potential and the fulfillment of your soul's purpose. Embracing self-realization through connection with your higher self involves a journey of surrender, self-inquiry, and self-awareness that allows you to peel back the layers of conditioning, fears, and attachments that veil your inner light and obstruct your true essence. By cultivating a state of presence, mindfulness, and openness, you create a space within yourself to commune with your higher self, receive its guidance, and align with its wisdom in every aspect of your life. Self-realization through connection with your higher self is about recognizing and embodying the qualities of your divine nature, such as love, compassion, wisdom, and unity, and expressing these qualities in your thoughts, words, and actions towards yourself and others. It is about living in alignment with your true purpose, values, and aspirations, and allowing the divine essence of your higher self to shine through you all that you do, creating a ripple effect of positivity, healing, and transformation in the world around you. Through the process of self-realization, you come to realize that you are not separate from the universal source of all creation, but an integral part of the cosmic tapestry of life, interconnected with all beings and all existence in a web of oneness and unity. This realization awakens a deep sense of reverence, gratitude, and awe for the miracle of life and the divine intelligence that orchestrates the dance of existence, guiding you towards a state of profound peace, joy, and fulfillment that transcends the transient fluctuations of the external world. Embracing self-realization through connection with your higher self is a journey of integration, wholeness, and alignment that leads you towards the realization of your full potential and the embodiment of your soul's purpose in this earthly incarnation. It is a journey of self-discovery, inner transformation, and spiritual awakening that empowers you to live authentically, consciously, and purposefully, in alignment with your true essence and the divine blueprint of your soul. By embracing self-realization through connection with your higher self, you step into the fullness of who you are, reclaiming your power, embracing your truth, and shining your light brightly in the world as a beacon of love, wisdom, and compassion that illuminates the path for others to follow in their own journey of self-realization and spiritual evolution. Thank you for embarking on this journey of self-realization and connection with your higher self. We hope this video has inspired and uplifted you on your path towards inner wisdom and spiritual growth. If you resonated with the insights shared, remember to like this video, share it with your community, and subscribe to our channel for more transformative content that empowers you to awaken to your true essence. Together, let's continue to explore the depths of our being and shine our light brightly in the world.